day 2 of being suspended. Yeah, so today I was putting that one in her little, garage cage thingy. And I went to push, like, the thing in so, like, it stays close. And the wood of it cut me. It cut me. It cut me. But, yeah. Didn't hurt that bad, I guess. Just got bitched out by my dad. Because I took my other shirt that I had on off. That's why I look like a bum wearing my tank top. But yeah. Yeah. And it was inside out and like laid on top of my shorts and stuff. On top of the dryer. Where I usually have all my stuff. So it's not really a big difference of what it usually is. But yeah. My dog just farted. Anyways. But yeah. And he flipped the fuck out. Like, he screamed and everything. Like, I was on the verge of crying. Well, it's not that hard to make me cry. But, yeah. You get what I'm saying. I need to straighten my hair. I look like a bum. My red is like a weird orangish burgundy color. It's sad. And then my dark brown is more of a lightish color now. Sucks. Well, I'll probably talk to you later, I guess.